guys, Agam here, and today I'll show you how to easily create and start a Jekyll blog website and deploy it for free online with Cloudflare Pages. For example, I just 2 to 3 days before created a blog website. It's available on agamsblog.pages.dev. Like whenever you deploy a site on Cloudflare Pages, it will give you a subdomain at end with pages.dev. So I had chosen like Agam's blog. It can also take from your GitHub repo from where you can deploy, or you can set yours also. And I also like connected it to a custom domain, so it's currently on is-dev. And whenever we'll open it here, I started my blog website. It currently has comments thing too. Now it depends on the template which you use for the website. I'll tell you everything. And here all the posts are there, and you don't need to code anything, just write a post in a markdown file. I'll teach you that also. And like this is the authors, then we can create links, etc. And it's also available on pages.dev. I'll link you in the description so you can check whenever you want. And so okay, let's start now. First of all, we have to install Ruby to create our Jekyll website, and we have to now just install Ruby. So like if you are on Windows, you can use the Ruby plus devkit installer that's available on the official website, and if you are on Linux Mac, you can use RVM, Ruby version manager. So it will be easy to install globally. This I'll link you in the description. It's easy also, but for Windows I recommend you to install from the devkit installer, Ruby plus devkit. So I'll type installer this rubyinstaller.org. I'll link you this also in the description box. And here we will install the 2.7.4 version because it is the only version which is compatible with many gems. So I'll install this one with devkit. Just take care. And 2.7.4 only, not other versions, because this is the most compatible one. So I'll click this and it will start downloading. It will take a little time. And if you're still stuck, you can click the cross also and start downloading again, or try another browser. So it's not downloading currently, so I'll retry. Is my net stuck? Now click on the exe file you downloaded and it will start the installation. Yes, so we are on this page now. I accept the license. We have to obviously accept it and make sure this all is selected, and then install. Also this should be selected, everything. Okay, so Ruby is now installed and it took me like 5 minutes and little above. So now make sure this is selected, RIDK install, and just click finish and it will open a new window. Now this here we have to just press enter 1 and 3, it will automatically install. And this system update is optional, we don't need it, so I'll just click enter. And now here there is nothing to do, it says it is installed, and we have just done everything and press enter. And now our Ruby and plus devkit etc, everything is installed. Now we have to start our blog website. So for that we have to go to File Explorer and go to wherever, for example go to documents etc, and go to the command prompt. Just click cmd, type cmd here and it will open the command prompt. This is the shortcut. And here we have to just type gem install bundler Jekyll. We will use bundler for managing the gems, etc. and as it is good. So first of all, it won't install in the current directory, but it will install globally. So we have to just select gem install bundler Jekyll. We have to type it and press enter. It will take some time, download everything. Okay, so it's finally installed now, and we can check if Jekyll is installed or not by writing Jekyll -v. It will show the version, and it says Jekyll 4.2.1, so it means it's installed. And now to start our blog website, so first of all we have to create a folder with Jekyll, and it will uh, automatically create all the gem files, etc. We have to type Jekyll new and whatever name you want, for example my blog site, and it will create a subfolder with all the gem files, etc. automatically. See, it is saying running bundle install. We can go to our here, and everything it started itself. It is the default template that comes with Jekyll, and after this I'll also show you to get the templates, etc. Like my blog website was also made with a template. I'll show. Yes, now it is saying new Jekyll site installed, and now I will change the directory. CD means change directory to my blog site, CD my, and press tab, so it will automatically shift. See, just keep pressing tab and it will show my blog site, or you can type manually also and press enter. Now here Jekyll site is ready, all the files are ready. What you have to do is just run bundle. Bundle is the our package manager which we are using for the Jekyll site. Exec means execute this command, Jekyll serve. Now it will start hosting the website on localhost with port 4000, and we have to click enter. And now it says server address. This is currently on the local host, and after your site is ready I will also show you how to deploy it on Cloudflare Pages for free online and unlimited bandwidth, etc. So we have to go to our browser, either Chrome or Firefox, everything has same thing. So localhost 4000, because the port was 4000, and here it says your awesome title. We can change that in this index.markdown, and it is showing welcome to Jekyll and subscribe via RSS and then mail, etc. We can change that everything also like this, but you must be thinking that this site is very simple, etc. So there are many themes available online. I'll show you now, and if you don't like those themes also, you can also create your, it's basically a template. So we have to go to docs, and here themes, and here we can get so many themes. For example, I will go to jekyllthemes.io. There's many website, and I'll close this, or okay, let's, and here browse themes and block themes. I chose from here only, and just control F, search and type free. So here are all the free themes. Like this, or maybe this Galileo, or which one was that? Wait. Or this maybe flexible Jekyll is good. So okay, this one I will go for now. What we have to do, get flexible Jekyll on GitHub. We can also check the theme live demo, like here, and opening this, and this is can add tags, etc. everything. This is the theme, and we have to click code and download zip. And here we have to go to our documents folder where we created this, and we have to right click new folder, my blog website with theme, for example any name you can keep, just skipping this currently. And you have to go to the downloads folder, cut this theme you just downloaded and paste it there in the, and here you have to click extract all and extract. So it will extract here, it will extract the theme. Here you can see, just delete the zip file, and it created so many subfolders. I'll select everything, cut it, go to the main folder and paste it here, so no need of, and delete this. Here we have a gem file in which all the versions etc come. Here see, source, then gem Jekyll, like this. So what we have to do now, open our command prompt and run bundle install. Wait, I'll increase the size. Yes, we have to run bundle install to install all the gems etc. It will take little time. See, it is saying using Jekyll 4.2.1, and here we have installed all the dependencies. We have to run bundle exec, sorry, not install, Jekyll serve, and again this blog website with the template will be now hosted. Here see, it's generating everything, and go here and go to localhost 4000, and now it's saying not found, error slash, wait a second then. Okay, so the base URL you have to make it dot, or example just leave it. Okay, I'll try with dot, I forgot currently. Here's the title of the main website. Description we have to change it in config.yml. I forgot to tell that also. And this is discuss identifier for the comments etc. And this is the markdown. So okay, I made the base URL. We have to remove the dot. I'll try once. So just change, stop the process, Control C, and run bundle exec Jekyll serve. It should work. Yes, it's served now. For example, it's showing David Friedman, and you can link it to your Twitter profile or any profile you have, and here also GitHub etc. For example, I'll customize it and image, it is saying davidfreeman.jpg. Here in the assets, image, here you have to change your image. So I will not change it. So okay, I changed it a bit, and this title thing will come here. Your example, for example, I can write Agam's tech blog like I have in my website. Now again bundle exec Jekyll serve. Now it says something went wrong then. Wait a second. Yes, it's now working. and refresh it and see Agam's tech blog, and Agam it is showing. And now to create a blog website, it's very easy. You have to code nothing, like no HTML etc. It's just markdown. For example, in post c dot markdown dot markdown, or you can make it dot md. And the best editor, like not best but which I recommend and I use, is mark text. I'll give you the link, marktext.app. You can install it. It's not currently installed. And just click the Windows thing and it's save file. You can also use your markdown editor, but it is like what you see is what you get editor. And markdown is very easy, like no need to code etc. And go to the, it will be installing. See the mouse, yes, here. For example, only for me currently I'll use and install. It's based on Electron. You can also use other like Typora etc. I am currently using MarkText. It's like that one. And just don't run it, like no need, we'll open from there only. And here, for example, this one, open with MarkText, and always it will be either dot markdown or dot md. It's loading. First one takes some time to load. Here, for example, layout post, then the title and description. You'll find this post, go ahead and edit it. And the image, here I showed you in assets and image. You can change your image and then rename. For example, here it is software.jpg here, and it can be jpg or png, both formats work. And the tags like productivity software. For example, I'll create a new post. What you have to do, just copy this, Control C, or I'll copy, paste it here and rename it. First I'll change the date 2021, then it is the month, it is the date, then month. For example, it is year, month, date. So the year is currently 10 and the month is currently 10 and the date is 6th, so 06, and the name will be trial post. You can make yours anything, and just open it with MarkText. It will be the default editor, or you can just right click and open with MarkText. Here, if this process is running, this blog website is still running. And here layout post, I'll just quickly change the title. So it's now saved, and we have to kill the process again. Just Control C and bundle exec Jekyll serve. And here our new blog will be there. Here you can see a trial blog, and here see a trial again, and it showed the like JS we had done. This won't work, so currently this one-liner code will work. Here we have to kill again. So like this only, like you can start writing your blogs and adding your image etc. And you can change the favicon icon etc. And here discuss Also on Mr. Brown, these are the ads etc. You can remove. This is with the disk question. And here you can change anything in the site. Many things are there. In the site it will just deploy. So let's now stop. And now I'll show you how to deploy it on Cloudflare Pages. So Cloudflare Pages is where you can deploy it online. For example, this is currently on localhost only, so only I can access it. But to make it publicly available, we'll use Cloudflare Pages. So let's close everything now. And here also let's kill the processes, exit. Here you can change the config and then close. Here also I'll now close. And here this is our website which will be hosted on Cloudflare Pages. So to deploy on Cloudflare Pages, we have to, like, this is there. Now we have to create a new GitHub repo. And if you don't know what GitHub is, it is like whenever a developer makes open source any application, so it will they post it on GitHub. Like even I have this app, MS Office Electron. So what you have to do is go to your repositories and a new repository, and we have to name it, for example, my blog site, and I'm currently making it private. And this tailbot is optional, like I had only added. So we have to just create repository. And if you don't have a GitHub account, you can just simply make it, and nothing, it's not difficult, nothing is difficult. Here if you have the GUI, or you have to install the git CLI. This command line, git-scm.com. Here we use the terminal etc. So what you have to do here is just write it, just copy this link, go here, and I'll delete this my blog site thing, and I'll go to the cmd command prompt and type git clone the URL I had, and it is now showing cloning into my blog site etc. And now it is saying GitHub sign in, so I'll sign in with browser, and it is now saying authentication succeeded, or otherwise it will. Now it shows warning you have appeared because there are no files. What we have to do, just copy here my blog site, whatever the repo name will be, repository name. Here we have to copy everything except the log file, and just copy it and go to the my blog site and paste it here. Control V or right click and paste. All the files will be transferred here, and then open command prompt again. Now we have to just add commit, and so I'll write git add dot. Here just ignore this, then git commit -m add files. Here it's saying, and git push. Now it will push the files to the repository. Now it is saying writing objects, it is pushing all the files. And here I'll go to this repository and refresh it, and now all my files are there. Okay, wait, this .jekyll, we have to git ignore this thing, .jekyll catch. It wasn't git ignore then. Yes. So we have to just write Jekyll cache here and delete it also, and underscore site will be default, and just again git add dot, git commit -m, remove Jekyll cache, and git push. and now it has delete mode, and we have to refresh it and it will be gone. Now to deploy the website, you have to go to pages.cloudflare.dev clone, and here you have to click sign up and give your email, etc., and it's totally free of cost, so click just sign up. I'm already signed up, so here it shows get started. Already I am signed up, so I'll just click login and add my email and password and click login. Don't save. Here they have all the instructions also. For example, now we have to go to, let me move it to the front, and this is our GitHub repo, and we have to go to pages, and for example my website is already deployed. I will open it. Here for example I added a custom domain, and whatever updates you will push, just push them to the GitHub repo and they will be deployed automatically. And then go to the environment variables like manage the Ruby version. I'll tell you everything. So here we have to click create a project, and then it will ask you to connect with GitHub. It's already connected for me, and here the repository I made, my blog site, I'll select this one and then begin setup. It will do everything. You have to just here framework preset Jekyll. It's very easy deploying. And secondly, why I didn't choose GitHub pages, because the dependency is Jekyll 3.9.0 of GitHub pages gem, but the latest version is 4.2.1, which is more better. So here it is showing Jekyll build and output directory, just leave this. And in environment variables, just click add variable, and we have to change the Ruby version to 2.7.4 for the compatibility, like I told you before. I'll type myself there. 2.7.4 and save and deploy. It will do everything itself. Just we have set up it here, and it is now showing deploy inside. It is now initializing the build environment. We can close this command prompt now. It takes some time. For example, 2 to 3 minutes it will take. And Cloudflare speed, etc., everything is very good, and no bandwidth limits like Netlify, etc. That's why I chose this. Okay, now it's deploying and the website is deployed. Continue to project, and the domain is myblogsite.pages.dev. See the blog which I made for currently, a trial post, a header, and here you can add your own disquest one. It is the default which came with the theme. This is the home page, and it is now deployed and it's working. For example, I will open with Brave browser, minus blog minus site. You can like whatever your repo name will be. For example, this my GitHub one was my blog site. It will pick that name only. So our website is finally deployed online. Here also my blog site.pages.dev. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me, and you can write in the comment section. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.